Usually one pair of heads you can just put in one container. I mean, it doesn't matter, but it's just you can just put them in one container.
So what are you doing now?
I'm fixing to number these valves.
How are you going to
heads, but
number
I'm
them?
trying to figure out if I can identify which head is on which side, but I don't know that I can. Sometimes there's evidence of which head came off which side of the engine, but I'm not sure about these. If I was guessing, I'd say this is number 2, because it looks like maybe there was a dipstick bolted to this side. So that's what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to number them off of that.
So you made that determination because there was a dipstick on one side?
Yeah.
Okay.
They use this hole here for a little clamp that holds the dipstick tube that comes up.
Okay.
And it doesn't look like there was one on that one, so this has got to be number 2.
Okay.
Because it's on the, it would be on the starboard side of the motor or passenger side of a vehicle, but this is a boat, so.
Okay.
It's easier to do that before you take the springs off, but I just forgot. If you got the springs off, you got to hold the valve when you go to describe it, or it tries to spin on you. But when the spring's on there, you don't have to do that. Go ahead and number these. This is going to be 1, 3, 5, 7. But yeah, just put a 1 here and a 7 here, and then obviously 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7. But like I said, hold that valve, or it'll try to spin on you when you're starting the valve. You may want to, if you want, you can practice with that before you go to. If you never used that before, it'll kind of just
Take off.
just go anywhere. So you might want to practice on the table.
Congratulations, you get me in your